My friends, Document View has just been added to the list of SmartSuite views. It means that now you can create, save and collaborate on documents outside of records context. Hi, my name is Artem, I'm a product manager at SmartSuite. Let's see it all in action. We all know that SmartSuite records already had a document field type, a SmartDoc field. But in many cases, you will benefit from keeping your documents outside of specific records and making them more generic. Think of SOPs, guidelines, company policies, things like that. That's when the standalone document view becomes very handy. To create a new document view, simply select it from the list of view types. The main part of the screen is dedicated to Documents Canvas. And let me add some text to work with first. The editing toolbar is pinned at the top, but for the ease of use, it also appears when you highlight a piece of text. The / command brings up a list of SmartDoc tools and components. From here, I can edit my text with AI, add tables, upload files and images, and even create whiteboards. Changes I'm making are saved in the real time, so several team members can work on the same document at the same time, but more on this later. Clicking the gear icon on the right brings up the Settings panel. The General tab lets you control several UI settings. For example, you can define the page width, show or hide documents title, created by, and last updated values. The Permissions tab will be displayed for public document views only. From here, solution managers can control who can edit a given document. It defaults to everyone, but switching it to selected members gives us a lot more options. For example, we can enable editing for the members of the sales team only, or only allow full access members to do it, or even keep the combination of both. As you would expect, the document view also supports sharing. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it as well. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.